Have you ever wondered if that nightly rumble, your snoring, could be more than just a nuisance, especially if you also manage high blood pressure? Yes, snoring, particularly when combined with high blood pressure, is a serious concern that often indicates an underlying condition requiring medical attention. The primary reason for this seriousness is a condition called obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. With OSA, your airway repeatedly collapses during sleep, causing you to stop breathing for short periods. This leads to drops in your blood oxygen levels. Your body reacts to these drops by releasing stress hormones, which raise your heart rate and constrict your blood vessels. This constant stress, night after night, directly contributes to and worsens high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, and increases your risk for other cardiovascular problems like heart attack and stroke. So, it is not just a loud noise, it is a sign of significant stress on your entire system. If you or a loved one snore loudly, wake up gasping, or feel excessively tired during the day, and especially if you have high blood pressure, it is crucial to speak with your doctor. They will likely recommend a sleep study to diagnose or rule out sleep apnea. This assessment is the first step towards understanding the specific cause of your symptoms and guiding appropriate treatment. Additionally, lifestyle adjustments such as weight management, avoiding alcohol before bed, and sleeping on your side can help reduce snoring. Understanding the link between chronic snoring and cardiovascular strain is key. Obstructive sleep apnea not only exacerbates existing high blood pressure but can also make it more difficult to control, even with medication. Recognizing these symptoms and seeking professional guidance can lead to treatments such as CPAP therapy, or continuous positive airway pressure, or custom oral appliances, which are highly effective in managing OSA and can significantly improve blood pressure control. Connecting these dots between your nightly breathing and your daytime blood pressure empowers you to take proactive steps for your overall health. Addressing snoring that comes with high blood pressure can protect your heart, improve your energy levels, and contribute significantly to your long-term well-being and quality of life.